Hi, my name is Callie Alvarado, and I'm the mover, shaker, and cookie decorator behind all things Sweet Sugarbelle. When I started decorating cookies, there was very little information and even fewer specialty tools available for people like me. So, in 2009, I started a blog dedicated to the art of cookie decorating. There I shared all of the things I learned along the way to help other people like me. Then in 2015, I was given the opportunity to partner with American Crafts, and together we came up with a full line of products specifically geared towards cookie decorating. These include cutters, decorating templates, food-safe ingredients like these markers, lots of handy tools, and best of all, inspiration. Each item is designed to give makers as little or as much help as they need to develop their skills. Well, it's hard to pick a favorite. I'm especially fond of my Shapeshifters set, which is a set of cutters that can be used to create multiple designs with one cutter. I also love my icing bottles and all of the tools, including my newest tool, the Sweet Spinner. I love these products because they're truly the only tools you'll ever need for a lifetime of cookie decorating projects. Team members can confidently assure makers that each item will be used time and time again to make anything they dream up. I'm so proud to be in Michael's stores, and I hope you love these products as much as I do. So, fire up your ovens and get to baking because I can't wait to see what you create.